Hello students, good morning to all. I am Ram Sharma from LPM Public School, Gola Gorakhpur. Today I am going to take lecture of 10th class, and today I will explain the sum numerical based on Moivre effect. As you know, in previous class I have discussed about the Moivre effect. Okay, so I am going to explain numerical based on Moivre effect. Okay, so numerical based on Moivre effect. So I'm going to take first numerical. The far point of myopic eye is 40 centimeter. Calculate the power of the lens to correct his vision. Okay, so this is the question. You can see clearly. Okay, so in this question the far point is given 40 centimeter. If you understand by diagram, so this is the diagram of eye. As you know, the eyeball is spherical, assumed to be spherical. For myopic person, the far point is 40 centimeter. Let this distance is 40 centimeter, and then this distance is 25. It means a man can see in this region clearly. The near point 25, but there is problem in far point. As you know, the far point for the normal vision is infinity, but this is a myopic eye and the far point is 40 centimeter. It means a man cannot see beyond this point. It means there is a need of glasses. Which type of glasses? As you know, concave lens is used to remove myopic defect, or we can find the nature of this lens by the calculation. Okay, so we have to find what is the power of this lens, and we can find also the nature by using calculation and focal length and power. Okay, so I hope you understand about this diagram. Now I am going to solve this question. So you have to note this question and you can note this diagram also. I am going to solve the numerical. Okay. So in this question, the far point given is 40 centimeter. It means this distance is 40 centimeter. We want to see beyond this point. It means you can assume it's infinity. It means we have to see to infinity. It means u equal to infinity. We want to see the object placed at infinity. It means u equal to infinity. And 40, this lens can see through a distance 40 centimeter easily. It means by using this external lens, it means by using glasses, we have to find image at 40 centimeter. Okay, this lens make image on 40 centimeter, and this image work as object for this lens. Understand? Object कहाँ पे रखा हुआ है? Infinity पर. By using this lens, we have to find image on 40 centimeter, because at 40 centimeter our eye lens can see properly, and by using this lens we have to see the object at 40 centimeter. Then we can see object clearly. So it means u equal to infinity and v equal to 40 centimeter. We have to obtain image on 40 centimeter. Why? Because our eye lens can see this distance clearly according to question. So this is the image for this lens, and this is object for eye lens. I hope you understand. So v equal to infinity and u equal to minus 40 centimeter. And by using lens formula, so lens formula 1 upon f equal to 1 upon p minus 1 upon u. This is lens formula. So by putting value 1 upon f equal to 1 upon minus 40. This is minus 40 because this distance is measured against the direction of light. Light travel left to right, and we have to measure from optical center of this lens. It means right to left. It means this distance is negative. So v equal to minus 40 and 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon infinity. So 1 upon f equal to 1 upon minus 40. So f equal to minus 40 centimeter. Okay, so f equal to minus 40 centimeter. Now we have to find what is power. So as you know, the formula for power, P equal to 100 upon F. P equal to 100 upon F, if F in centimeter. So 100 upon 40 minus 40. So by solving this P equal to minus 2.5, and as you know the unit of power is diopter. It means the power of lens is 2.5 diopter, and this negative sign indicated that this is a concave lens. As you know, concave lens is used to correct myopic defect. Okay, so I hope you understand about this numerical, and you have to try the more numerical based on this concept. So now I am solving another numerical based on this problem. Let the another numerical based on this concept. Let a numerical, second question. A myopic person use the lens in his spectacle of power minus 1.25 diopter. So what is the distance of far point for his eye? Okay, so this is question. A myopic person use the lens in his spectacles of power minus 1.25 diopter. What is the distance of far point for his eye? It means up to which distance a man can see who suffering from myopic defect. So you have to know this numerical. I am going to solve this numerical. So in this question, the power is given minus 1.25 diopter. So as you know, the relation between focal length and power, P equal to 100 upon F, F in centimeter. So F equal to 100 upon P. So 100 upon 1.25 minus 1.25. So this solving, this is equal to 100 into 100 upon 125. Four, 5. So F equal to minus 80 centimeter. It means the focal length of a lens which is used in correction of myopic defect is minus 80 centimeter. Now we have to find what is the far point for myopic person. Okay. So this F equal to minus 80 centimeter. You have to note all this value. And what is far point? Far point means V. We have to find what is V, because in myopic defect we have to take u is infinity. It means we have to see till infinity distance, because as you know, for normal eye the near point is 25 centimeter and far point is infinity. It means to remove myopic defect we have to see through till infinity distance. Okay, this infinity distance may be 2 meter, 6 meter. It is not infinity, actual infinity. When the rays of light comes parallel or a far off distance is known as infinity. When the rays of light comes parallel, so that point may be infinity for our eye. Okay, so u equal to infinity and u is equal to we have to find. So by using Len's formula, 1 upon f equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. So f minus 80 centimeter, 1 upon v and 1 upon infinity. And as you know, 1 upon infinity is equal to 0. So 1 upon v is equal to minus 1 upon 80. So v is equal to minus 80 centimeters. So this is the far point. V is equal to minus 80 centimeters. It means this myopic person can see 25 to 80 centimeter clearly. In this region, this myopic person can see easily, and to see beyond 80 centimeter there is a need of concave lens. This concave lens of focal length minus 80 centimeter and power of minus 1.25 diopter. Okay, so I hope you understand about these numerical, and you have to try to solve numerical based on this concept. And in my next video I will explain some more numerical based on this concept. Okay, thank you very much.